Hey, what's going on? I just want to quickly show you the easiest way to cut drywall. So all that you need to do this is your piece of drywall, a drywall T-square, a utility knife, a tape measure, and a pencil. Now, if you don't have one of these, you can just use like a 4-foot level or a board, or you can snap a line, but you're going to want a straight line that you're going to cut on. So this is super handy. So I've already measured out what I've got to cut, and then I just put this on there right on my mark. So here's my mark right there. I'm just going to slide it right over. And then what I do is I put my foot against it on the bottom just to keep it from moving. And I'm just going to use the utility knife starting at the bottom and go all the way up. And I didn't press hard. All I'm doing is scoring the paper on the outside. Now what I'm going to do is stand the sheet upright and pull it towards me, and I'm going to snap it right on that seam right there. So just like that. And then I'm going to take my blade and I'm going to cut up the middle of that crack. So here's what that looks like now. There's a nice crack down the middle, and I'm just going to use my utility blade and go right down the seam. It's that simple. Now you have a perfectly square cut. I can go throw this thing in. So if that was helpful for you, give me a thumbs up down below. It really helps this video gain traction in the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in more carpentry how-to tips. And thanks for watching. See you on the next video.